to my real estate niche. Today we get to view a spacious 2-bedroom apartment. So this is the sitting area. It's very big, well painted, good gymnasium, and it can fit the dining table at the end where there is that sink. I really like it because of the lighting. You don't need to put on the light during the day. Then let's proceed to other rooms. This is a washroom, big enough to do your laundry in there. So this is master bedroom of the house. So let's check. That is the space. So it's a big. Can fit 6 by 6 bed. Good lighting. Um, you have your own washroom. You have inbuilt wardrobes, and the lighting is perfect. There's natural light inside the room. That is the back view you get when you are in the bedroom. This is my favorite part of the house, the kitchen area. We have the well-fitted kitchen cabinets, kitchen storage. The tiles are perfect. It's cleanable. That is the balcony area. You can, if you have a washing machine, you can do your small laundry here. This is the back view when you're at the kitchen. The lighting, it's perfect. Look at that. The washing, it's made easier because the kitchen, it's well tiled. The tiles are white. Yeah, I love this part of the house. Let me know if you love this kitchen. Let me know if you love this gymnasium, the lighting, the sitting area. Drop a comment. Let me know your favorite part of this spacious 2-bedroom apartment. So I know currently you're asking, and where do I dry my clothes? So this is the area where you hang your clothes, drying area. It serves as a balcony to give you the best view in the morning. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more real estate content. Peace out.